We are very happy to associate with NFDC, and because of NFDC, we are covering through Bollylands.com.
IFFI happening. This is third time I'm coming from all the way from Kerala because we are fans of IFFK. But this time we thought, okay, we'll have a lot of explorations towards IFFI, and this is the first day I'm actually joining for a movie.
It's been great. It's been a fabulous experience. In fact, it's my first time for the IFFI Goa Film Festival. But of course, I think I've been missing all these years, and I'm not going to be doing that in the future.
Okay. Hi Nimisha.
Hi, how are you?
So we are from Bollylands.com.
Okay.
It's a Bollywood travel show which is streaming on MX Player.
Bollywood travel show.
Bollywood travel show, yeah, Bollywood travel show.
That is cool. Please tell me about it.
So Bollywood travel show, basically wherever Bollywood has gone abroad and shot their films, web series, ad films, so we go and explore those locations, and for them, for an industry, we become a guide. जो लोकेशन में शूट नहीं की होगी and potential locations, and when we say potential location, it means कि shooting friendly locations, 5-star hotel होनी चाहिए, budget hotel होनी चाहिए, permission easily मिलनी चाहिए. So these are the things we see. So normally for a production house, becomes very easy to find a new location. Apart from acting, do you have any other ambition to do something for an industry?
Yeah, I want to produce, I want to direct, I want to write, I want everything to do with filmmaking, and to tell stories. That's what I want to do.
I'm at IFFI, and I think it's getting bigger and better each year. And this is extra special because our grandfather, Mr. Dr. A.N.R. Nageshwara Garu, it's his 100th year, and he's being celebrated as well. And Devdas is just being screened, so very, very happy to be here.
Just would like to know how the film industry is in Uzbekistan. What is it?
So he's saying that there are more and more films are being made, and they are participating now in international festivals like this one. And it's my first time in India, and I was very delighted and like surprised in a nice way how hospitable and open this country and people here are.
And as I said, we had been to Uzbekistan. We shot Samarkand, Bukhara, and Tashkent in your country. Beautiful country, beautiful people, great warmth, and I know the love for the Bollywood.
मेरा नाम माही, I'm actress and Shukriya.
Right. So I would like to know which movie you're watching today actually. A Grand Tour is the first movie which I am actually going to watch in Screen 1 IMAX. And this time I was just seeing the movies also seems to be pretty cool because there are good selections happening from different countries as well. So what genre do you prefer, like action, romantic? What kind of movies do you like?
Every genre.
You're into every genre?
Yeah. There is coming up like series, TVF ka.
Okay.
It's called NEET, and I'm working with them. Dekhna zarur.
Hi, my name is Aditya Patil. I am from Goa and I'm a cinematographer and I make films basically, yeah.
So any of your films are in IFFI today?
Yeah, this year one of my film, Adios, it's a Konkani film, half an hour film. So that film is screened under Goan section. So 14 of Goan films has been screened. So one of my film is one of them, and I have done the color grading of that film.
So I'm actress from Poland,
Yeah.
and my film will be screened tomorrow, and the title is Lonis, and I'm the lead woman in this movie.
Yeah, Alicia is the star of the movie called Loonies from Poland. I'm also in that film. I'm not the star of that one, but I'm a screenwriter, actor, producer, director from Poland, and I'm happy to be here at IFFI Goa.
Can you please tell us something about your movie which is being screened tomorrow?
You can say.
Okay, the movie tells us a story of two outcasts getting out of prison. One of them is being played by Alicja. She plays the part of Karolka, and the other one is played by Eryk Lubos, a Polish actor, a Polish star, film star. and they try to fit into the normal society. It's being advertised here in Goa as a comedy. I would say comedy/drama, because it's quite. It has sad moments, that film, but it has moments to smile and laugh about as well. And it's a classical road movie.
आपने 98 में एलिजाबेथ बनाई थी. इफ यू मेड दिस फिल्म टुडे, क्या करते आप?
मैं उसमें टेक्नोलॉजी AI में बना लेता.
AI में बना लेते हैं? डू यू थिंक यू वुड हैव एंजॉयड दिस फिल्म?
इट वुड बी डिफरेंट एक्सपीरियंस.
डिफरेंट एक्सपीरियंस.
एंजॉयमेंट होती. पहले लोग जाते जहाज में जाते थे, एक तरह से 1 साल लगता था. अब एरोप्लेन में जाते हैं. अलग एक्सपीरियंस है.
टुडे इन इंडिया वी आर फेसिंग अ चैलेंज ऑफ OTT वर्सेस द थिएटर्स.
Okay.
Yeah, so what we should do for the content which will run in the theaters?
मेरे लिए कंपटीशन नहीं है.
कंपटीशन नहीं है.
It's आर्ट फॉर्म. लोग पहले टीवी और फिल्म के बारे में यही बात होती थी. अब वही टीवी, अब फिल्म और OTT के बारे में बात होने लगी. 2 अलग-अलग प्लेटफॉर्म है, 2 अलग-अलग जगह हैं. सबको काम करने का मौका मिल रहा है, देखने का मौका मिल रहा है, तो अच्छी बात है.
Sometimes I think the movie experience in theaters is an experience versus on OTT it's probably watching the content itself.
Everybody gets an opportunity. अगर कोई फिल्म थिएटर के लिए maybe it's not conducive for theatre, OTT पे दिखा लेंगे. So I think it opens up the range for filmmakers.
थिएटर एक कल्चर है. थिएटर में जाना एक कल्चर है. OTT पे जब आप फिल्म देख रहे थे तो प्रेशर कुकर की सीटी भी बज रही होती है. आप वहाँ डेथ सीक्वेंस चल रहा हो रहा है, आप जा कर के वहाँ सीटी गिन रहे हो, 3 सीटी हो गया. तो थिएटर एक कल्चर है जो ख़त्म नहीं होना चाहिए.
I think that all content is worthy of watching. I think that the great thing about having things on streaming versus in the cinemas is that everyone has access to it.
Okay.
I do think that people should go to the theatres. Our film Better Man needs to be seen in a cinema.
Weird. How sweet Ravan with dimples,
I
no?
know.
Yeah.
नहीं, I want to ask something. मतलब डिम्पल्स के पीछे रावण कैसे लगेगा मतलब?
ये डिम्पल रावण वैसे बहुत खूबसूरत था. अगर हम कई ग्रंथों में पढ़ेंगे, वो तो कर्मों की बात है. उनके कर्म, कुछ चीज़ें हैं जो हमें रावण से सीखनी चाहिए और कुछ चीज़ें हैं जो नहीं सीखनी चाहिए.
So it's a really good effort on the basis of the festival as well as NFDC. We are very thankful and I think it's going to be even more great next year.
So have you shot in Goa earlier?
I have not actually, but I was here to chill because it's my chill place and not work place.
Okay, wonderful.
But I love Goa.
So just want to know which one you have seen the latest Bollywood movies?
We all loving Indian movies, big fans. So my favorite films, Diwali, Dulhania.
Okay, दिलवाले दुल्हन ले जाएंगे. Okay.
और गोवा की सबसे अच्छी प्लेस आपको कौन सी पसंद है?
पूरा गोवा. I think Goa. We all love Goa. We all love coming to Goa. और इफ़ी यहाँ हो रहा है मतलब.
But any place where you want?
मुझे बहुत खुशी है कि आज 55th इंटरनेशनल फिल्म फेस्टिवल में फिर से आया हूँ और बहुत खूबसूरत फिल्में दिखाने वाले हैं ये लोग. और मेरी बहुत बहुत मुबारक मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन ब्रॉडकास्टिंग को उनकी पूरी टीम को उन्होंने इतना खूबसूरत ऑर्गेनाइज़ किया है कि मैं चाहूँगा जितने भी सिनेमा प्रेमी हैं और स्टूडेंट हैं यहाँ आएँ, देखें और इस पूरे फेस्टिवल का लुत्फ़ उठाएं।
बहुत ये हमारा सौभाग्य है, इतना अच्छा फेस्टिवल NFDC और INB मिनिस्ट्री ने ऑर्गेनाइज़ किया है, तो हम वी आर वेरी हैप्पी एंड ऑनर्ड टू बी हियर एंड हमको ज़रूर इसके द्वारा हिंदुस्तानी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री को प्रमोट करना चाहिए ग्लोबली।
आई थिंक एक प्लेटफॉर्म है काफ़ी सारे बडिंग फिल्म मेकर्स के लिए, एक प्लेटफॉर्म है ग्रोथ के लिए। एंड जैसा कि जैकी ने कहा कि हम लोगों को अपनी हिंदुस्तानी फिल्म्स को ग्लोबली लेकर जाना है या एक ग्लोबल कंटेंट को इंडिया लाना, और ये बहुत ही मैटर ऑफ प्राइड है कि इफ़ी इतने सालों से चलता आ रहा है और साल भर साल बेटर होता जा रहा है, ग्रैंडर होता जा रहा है। सो इट्स रियली नाइस टू बी एसोसिएटेड विद इफ़ी एंड आई थिंक इट्स ग्रेट फॉर एवरीवन हु इज़ in the film.
So I'm really looking forward to watch all of them, and I think it's quite young, quite dynamic. All the young youth is coming in, so it's quite fantastic.
So tell us this year, what is your experience of the EP 55th International EP? What do you feel now?
So IFFI this year is doing outstandingly well.
Okay.
There is great response from filmmakers. There are more than 100 independent filmmakers here. They've all brought their films. Either they are in the viewing room where they are showing it to potential funding agencies or distributors or festival curators.
Okay.
Or they are doing market screenings where people can come in and watch it. There is also a very successful co-production market at Film Bazaar.
Oh, wonderful.
Where people have come and presented their scripts and projects which they want to sell to potential producers or co-producers or sales agents.
Okay.
So all of this is happening. Apart from that, the film festival itself is getting huge response. There are thousands of people who come to Goa just to watch the films.
Okay. Just tell me कि in last 5-6 years MP में बहुत सारी movies हैं, जैसे कि आपने कहा वेब सीरीज की फिल्में शूट हुई है. What is the reason? Why Bollywood is coming and getting attracted to the MP? What is the reason? What आप exactly क्या कर रहे हो?
First and foremost is our exotic locations.
Okay.
Second is our film policies.
Film policies.
Right, yes. Yeah. It is, we are not talking only about the subsidies that we are providing to the filmmakers.
Okay.
But we are giving them a very conducive environment.
Okay.
We have a line of roughly 10 to 11 line producers. They are assisting them like anything.
Oh.
Third, the people of Madhya Pradesh, they are warm. They are welcoming. So the kind of environment that Madhya Pradesh is providing to the filmmakers, that makes them to come to Madhya Pradesh, again and again. And even if you see the movies like Stree 1 was shot in Chanderi, Stree 2 is again being shot in Chanderi. Bhool Bhulaiya is being shot in Orsha. Now the Panchayat, first, second, third season, all have been shot in a village in Sihor district.
Okay.
So the people when they have this kind of experience, they love to come to Madhya Pradesh again and again.
Do you think we should improve more, or we should have better facilities, or we should market it more? What we should do more?
Yes. Exactly what you told. Ramoji has also a very big area. It has built on 2,000 acres of land. And some northern states are also trying, as just we have mentioned about UP. but we have also very ambitious plan of the complete redevelopment of the film city Mumbai.
Oh, wonderful!
And in fact, before just COVID, we have floated an international global tender for that.
Oh,
but unfortunately it couldn't work out. But we are again trying to redevelop it in the international, just like the Universal Studios of Singapore or Los Angeles. On that front, we wanted to take it to the next level.
इन MP स्पेशली कितने डेस्टिनेशन आपने कवर कर लिए है एंड कौन सी फिल्म्स या वेब सीरीज आपने कवर कर ली है?
My first film was Rajniti.
Okay.
And till date, I have done around 437 projects to be exact.
Okay.
In my career, which include films like Rajniti, Arakshan, Satyagrah, Chakri, Gali Gali Chor, Singh Saab the Gate, Jai Gangajal, Mohenjo-daro, Panchayat 3, Lapata Ladies, Bhool Bhulaiya 3, Fukre 3, and Dabang 3, 4, and many more. And I'll be honest with you, there are many. MP is something, because I'm born and brought up in MP. And you cannot, we have a tagline in MP which says you cannot cover MP in one lifetime.
Okay.
And it's pretty much true.
It's a fact.
It's pretty much true. It's a fact. So, as far as locations are concerned, we have divided MP into 4 major clusters because of the logistic things. Bhopal, Indore, Jabalpur, Gwalior, and their surroundings of 200 kilometer radiuses.
Okay.
So we are covering every day. We are finding new locations. We are coming up. For example, if you see Stree.
Yeah.
So in Stree, we have figured out a town called Chanderi, and which is now.
Hi, my name is Jojo. I represent Big Banner Entertainment and Media LLP, Goa. We are one of the only post-production and complete production houses in the state, and we're already doing work globally as well as for companies in and around India.
Out of all those movies you have watched in this screening, any one film which really attracted you?
See, we saw Chola and we saw this movie called Candy something. Girl of, like, Candy was like a spoof comedy. It was well shot. Chola was lovely because it had a story. Production values you could make out of the two films were very different. Candy was done on a pretty high budget. The colors were like Karan Johar sort of, very vibrant colors. It was funny, but it was that sleazy type of comedy, And we are also talking to people who have asked us to see smaller films.
So if you would like to say a few words to the new generation of filmmakers who are just coming up right now in Goa.
Yeah. See, I have one very important thing to tell all filmmakers, which is make the film you want to make. Don't say, I want to make a film for a festival, or I want to make a film for Netflix, or I want to make a film for ABC. Make a film for yourself and be true to your story. Let everyone shut you down as much as they want. But nobody can shut you down if you have that conviction that this is my story and I'm going to tell it like this only.
Bollywood Lens, don't come!